Introducing the Alexis Soyer wood-fired mobile oven from Fire Within. Brand new to the market and made in America in an ISO 9001 certified facility, the Alexis Soyer is our lightest and most economical commercial mobile oven on the road today. It's perfect for events where space is limited and for parties where the access is restricted. In fact, even a small SUV can tow it. There is no other compact mobile pizza oven in its class that compares. This is perfect for the veteran restaurateur who would like to develop an additional stream of revenue, or for the first-time entrepreneur who is looking for a manageable launching pad to build a thriving and wood-fired catering enterprise. The Alexis is a lightweight single-axle trailer with a mounted stainless steel wood-fired oven, capable of baking 4 to 6 10-inch pizzas at a time. This traveling wood-fired oven is ideal for caterers, street vendors, tailgaters, and restaurants wanting to share their signature tastes with the masses. Using the Alexis Ultra40 stainless steel oven, this mobile wood-fired oven has fast heat-up times and is capable of reaching 800+ degrees in as little as 30 minutes. Ideal for caterers wanting to bake 40 to 70 personal pizzas per hour. Weighing in under 1,000 pounds, this versatile traveling oven trailer is solidly built, easily towed, and can be positioned by a single person into almost any space. The Alexis Soyer mobile wood-fired ovens are stainless steel ovens manufactured in the United States. These fully assembled mobile outdoor ovens are lightweight, portable, and can be set up in less than an hour. Attention to detail has been given to this model in every step of the manufacturing process. The seams of the oven are fully welded, whereas most stainless steel ovens in the market are tack welded. It includes a hammer-tone, powder-coated outer finish for long-lasting durability and comes in two beautiful finishes, crimson red and midnight black. There's large under-oven storage for all you need to set up a catering event, such as folding tables, tarps, coolers, dough trays, and more. And the trailer has an integrated and dedicated tool holder compartments for pizza peels, brushes, and there is a dedicated firewood storage space designed for ergonomic access while cooking pizza, chicken, fish, steaks, chops, breads, and more. The Alexis model is perfect for restaurants, pizzerias, sororities, fraternities, schools, and nonprofits. It's also great for rental businesses who would like to rent or lease it out for special occasions. At under 1,000 pounds and under $10,000, it's designed not to break your back and not to break the bank. Log on or give us a call today.